Hey there, it's Lee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of those annoying suggested words or phrases that pop up on your iPhone keyboard. You know the ones that fill up your screen and the suggested words that you don't even want to use. Well, I'll show you how to turn that feature off. First, let me show you what I mean. If you open up the Notes app and start typing, you'll see the suggested words like yeah, I and thanks. If you type last, for example, it might start suggesting random names like Lee that you don't even know. It can be frustrating and distracting, right? To turn that suggestion words off, let's head over to the iPhone settings. Now we're in the iPhone settings, let's scroll down until we see General and tap on that. Then on the General, let's scroll down again and tap on Keyboard. Here you can adjust how the keyboard interacts on your phone and what pops up. You'll see a lot of different options here, but what we want to turn off is the predictive option. Just slide the toggle till it turns off. Now let's head back over to the Notes app and you'll see that the bar suggested words is turned off. You can type anything you want without any distractions. And that's it. That's how you turn off suggested words or phrases on your iPhone keyboard. You can't turn it off within the keyboard itself, so you do have to go into the actual settings like I've just shown. Hope this video has helped you out. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.